Hallo Klasse Schüler. Heute lernen wir Samperk von Samperk Arbeitsblatt 1, Seite Nummer 1. Frage 1. Lesen Sie den Text und beantworten Sie die Fragen. Read the text and answer the question. A text is given, it's like comprehension. Richtig oder falsch, true or false you have to write. And beantworten Sie. Read the question and answer in full sentence. Always remember, in the board exam and in all the exam, if you get the question of richtig oder falsch, you have to write the whole sentence and in front of that you have to write richtig oder falsch. Otherwise you won't get the marks, full marks. Okay? Now, as this is a revision part, the nominative case is explained here. Okay, so all from the basic we have started, so it will be easy for you to understand the dative case, which is the part of lesson 1 of Klasse 8. Frage 2. Ergänzen Sie das Personalpronomen. Personal pronouns you have to write. Here they have given the sentences, and for you I have underlined the subjects or the words for which you have to find the personal pronoun. One example I will solve for you. Meine Uhr ist kaputt. My watch is damaged. Meine Uhr. Original article is die. That's why I have written short form E. Now see. Sie geht nicht richtig. It is kaputt means what? It is not functioning well. It is not going good. So now this is feminine hai. Uhr. Die hai. So the personal pronoun sie we are going to use here. As this is all the practice of nominative case, all the nominative personal pronoun questions are here. So that you have to solve. Jetzt Frage 3. Ergänzen Sie das passende Verb. So a basic verb conjugation. Some verbs they have given. I have written the meanings for you. I have also circled the subjects for you, so it will be easy for you. One example. Der Kuli dash here vorne. The pen is here vorne. Vorne matlab ahead. Okay. Solve this. Okay, this one answer I have not written. Jodhpur and Jaipur dash in Rajasthan. So Jodhpur and Jaipur liegen in Rajasthan. Situated liegen as it is will come here. Jetzt Frage 4 machen wir. Bilden Sie Sätze mit den folgenden Verben. Make the sentences using the following verbs. One example I will tell you. Sitzen is to sit. Sitzt auf dem Stuhl. He sits on the stool. Stool means chair. Now, the notes for you are given for unregelmäßige Verben, irregular verbs. Learn its conjugation. Okay, very important. Here, the list der trennbare Verben, the separable verbs which we have learned. So its revision is given here, separable verbs. So some examples of verb conjugation again. Frage 5. Ergänzen Sie das Verb. In the bracket they have given the verbs. Irregular verbs on previous page they have given the conjugation. So, das Kind liest das Buch. Lesen का conjugation with das Kind. Kind das है means it's a neutral, means it is conjugated according to S. ES. Okay. Let's move to the Frage 6. Schreiben Sie die Sätze richtig. They have given wrong sentences. You have to make it correct. One example. Anton liest the banana. Anton reads the banana, which is wrong. For you I have written here the meanings. So what will be the correct answer? Anton eats the banana. Now whichever words they have given here in the bold letters, those only you are supposed to change it. You can't change the banana here. Like Anton liest ein Buch, you can't write because specifically they have given this letter of verbs in bold letters. Yes. Frage 7. Ergänzen Sie die trennbare Verben. Trennbare verbs, separable verbs they have given. Wann holst du das Geld ab? Abholen is to pick up. When are you going to pick up the money? But here we can't use pick up, we will use fetch. When are you going to fetch the money from the bank? Okay, it's like this. Or from ATM. Now, Frage asked, was passt zusammen? What matches together? Nouns they have given and the verbs. You have to match the correct verb with the correct noun. All the meaning of the verbs I have written here for you. Ball. Ball will go with A. Schlagen, to hit. We can hit the ball. Jetzt. Frage 9. Bilden Sie Sätze mit den folgenden Verben. Again, make your own sentences using these verbs. Do not copy my sentences as it is. Aussehen is to look like, to appear. So, sie sieht so schön aus. The meaning I have written, she looks very beautiful. Jetzt Frage 10. Schreiben Sie den bestimmten Artikel. Definite article you have to write. I have written in short form. Er für der, es für das und a für die. Jetzt. Frage 11. Schreiben Sie die Sätze richtig. Write the sentences correct. Jumble sentences hai. Ich bin jetzt in der neuen Schule hier. Now I am here in the new school. Okay. So, in a simple sentence, your verb has to be at second place. Now, Frage 12. Bilden Sie Fragen mit wer, nominative means who, was means what, and when means whom, accusative person के लिए we use. One example I will solve for you. Ich suche meine Klasse. I am searching my class. So I have underlined the answer keywords for you. So I am searching, nominative case. What I am searching? The class. Accusative case, which is a thing. So we will use the word was. Was suchst du? What do you search? Here you can make the question like this. Was suchen Sie? That is also fine. Now, the last question of this Arbeitsblatt, Frage 13. Ergänzen Sie Personalpronomen. Liest du gern den Aufsatz? Do you like to read the essays? Ja, ich finde ihn sehr interessant. Yes, I find it very interesting. So, the answer du ka has to be in ish. See the verb ending e. Then Aufsatz, it's a masculine accusative case. So, er changes to ihin in accusative. Okay. So, this is a mixture of nominative and accusative personal pronomen. So, that was it from our Arbeitsblatt 1. Tschüss.